Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try MarketGurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Monday, September 28, 2015. The market are going down quite strongly this morning because this is a real joke. Last week, everyone was saying, oh yeah, the economy is doing better. Janet Yellen said, well, yes, we're going to increase the interest rate by December. And because, you know, the economy is doing very good, and we don't really worry about the worldwide economy. And this morning, everything changes. Japan said they are worried about the overall world economy, and also the president of the IMF, International Monetary Fund, said they are going to revise on the downside their forecast for the economy for 2015 and 2016. So one week they say something, the other week they say some other thing, and that's the reason why the market is falling. And right at the beginning on MarketGurus.tv this morning, we have expected 200 to 300 point down today, and we're already 246 down on the Nasdaq, on the Dow Jones at minus 1.5% and minus 2.1% on Nasdaq with 102 points, and it may not be over yet. We had a little rebound over the last few minutes, and it seems like it's not holding. So we're going to have a little bit of interactivity today, and I'm going to ask you a few questions. Later on, I will open the question bar, so just prepare your question if you want me to answer it. And why don't we start right now in saying, have you opened some bearish position this morning in gold or oil or anything? Here's the yes and no bar. So please answer the question. So besides that, there is nothing that is very important that we should talk about in the news today. Maybe Alcoa that's going to not split the share, but split the company in two different companies. That's the reason why Alcoa is going up today, while all other mines are really going down strongly. And they actually begin a new bearish cycle today. And there are so many things I want to show you, and in particular the healthcare sector that is still going down a lot. Remember last week Hillary Clinton said she was going to battle the healthcare company and the biotech company because she finds crazy the pricing on those. And I think it's just want to make some politic capital there, because they are very numerous in the States, people that depend on it, because you can't afford to be sick in the United States and you can't afford to buy medication, and so it touches so many people. So she's going to get a lot of voting about that. So it's really going bad in this sector at the moment. See how it is falling. It's been falling since at least Thursday, Friday, and today. We don't even know where this bottom is right now, because it's in the middle of nowhere. There is nothing here to stop this movement, so it could even go right down there over the next few days. So, but it's a little bit too late to short the sector, but you know, it's something we may consider on within another new movement. Let's see what did we have as a result. I don't have oh, that's not, I don't have the result here. Oh, okay, so put it on. What is the result that we got? Oh, that's okay. You've been reset. Okay, so open the button again. They'll vote again. Someone did reset the button. So here's the yes and no button again with the same question. Have you opened bearish position this morning? Please vote yes or no, and I'll be looking right away at the result, so I can see what it is actually. Oh, not too many people. We'll be back in a second. We have 16% of the viewers that has opened a bearish position this morning, and they are making money. And we'll be looking at those possibilities to make money while the market is going down during the show. And so we will open back the question bar. So if you have any question for us, please put it in. I'll be answering a little bit later. In the meantime, I will leave the bar for a little while. And so let's look at what's happening on the market. First of all, the US dollar is not really doing anything. It was going up this morning, now it's going down, but it's still within its sideways movement. But the most important thing is that the Nikkei went back down to its support last night, and the China market is closed, and the London market is really testing its short-term support. So it seems like we're going to go back in bear market there. We never got back to a bullish market, but it still could break down again, because look at the SPY today. The S&P 500 is going down by 2%. The Nasdaq is going down by 2.19%. The Dow Jones, let's see it this way, the Dow Jones Industrial is going down by 1.58%, and the TSX is going down by 2%. And it may not be over yet. Look how it looks like. So we are constantly making new lows since the market opened this morning. So let's have a look right now at some of the sectors. And first of all, this morning, prior to the market opening, we had the gas went up. We did not know any reason for that to happen. And if you look at it closely, it went down, and then we had two complete cycles, and then it's just about to break down again. and the oil went down. We had a rebound, and then it kept going down all morning. And when you look at what the stock had done, the stock went down too, but they came back. And that's what I think they're going to go back down before the end of the day, to the bottom of the day. So the silver went down, the gold went down, the gold stock went down, and it may not be over there yet too. And the mining sector went down, so we had 1-2 bearish cycle. And since there's no rebound, that means there's no buyer. We may see it going lower again. So I have one question here that enters, so I'm going to answer this question right away. Eric is asking, PTK on Vancouver bought at 84 cents. So let me go right there on PTK. And you bought it at 84, and the stock is right now as 86. And you know what? If we ever have a new breakdown on it, and that's going to happen here, and the stock is going to be by 73 and 70 cents before we see it, before we can see it, and then it would be a loss. So what would you think in getting rid of it? So I mean, okay, let's flush this position and wait for better days and enter in a better signal if we ever get this better signal. Because right now, as the market is going bad, I mean, so many stocks may suffer of it. So I think we better change that. Okay, I see some questions over there that I don't see over here. We'll check that during the break, and we'll be answering it after. So you know, particularly on the TSX today, right now we still have a chance to go even lower on the energy stock. And look, it is right now going down again on the mining sector, and the stocks, the gold stocks has made a new low a few minutes ago, and you may even make another new low within the next few minutes, while consumer discretionary keeps falling. And the consumer staple that usually act as a refuge sector is not doing that at the moment, so we may see it going down again later. And the financial sector is also trying to pierce for a new low again today. So I'm not sure we have seen the lowest number of the day.
Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show.
Okay, I got a couple more questions to answer here, but before I will open the file sharing button that you will see appearing at the bottom right of your screen. In there, you have the list of ETFs, which is the name of the list is in French. It's called FNB, but inside the information is in English. So if you want to have the best list of of values that you can play up or down. So because you can make money when the market goes down, you just click on that button, transfer that list, and when you want to get rid of this window, after that you click on the button back and the window is going to go away. So let's go with here with another question from Jean saying, hi Michel, what about AGU now? I can tell you that just remembering it, because I've seen it this morning. We had a sell signal on that stock this morning, which is Agrium. So Agrium has been falling last week for many days until it stabilized at the end of the week, and this morning it started back by another sell signal, and the stock will probably go right back down to $109 over the next couple of days. And I have another question here and saying something happening with MTO. MTO is Methanol Resources. I know they've been very, very active recently, and we have like a couple of news per week coming out of there. And so, you know, I have been to this company. I have showed live the production of a gold bar worth about $1.5 million. So they are producing good gold, but they're suffering with the same thing as every gold stock is suffering, plus it's a small stock. But at the moment, you can see that if I make a little correction here on that volume, you can see that recent volume has been its best volume of the last 5 years. And right now, on the daily chart, you can see that since even today it's going up. So I don't know what's happening there, but I know that now there's a little wave of buyer here. So if you're not into that stock, I suggest not to buy it yet, because there is an important resistance at 7 cents. So let it stabilize around 7, and next time when it breaks to 8 and 9, it could be a nice little trade to do a little bit later. I mean, maybe within the next couple of weeks. And so be careful today, because we're not sure that the market are not going to be to go even further down, as most of the sector are tightly sitting on the bottom of the day, as I'm pointing it right now. And since there's no rebound, there's only one in technology. And look at healthcare breaking down again at that moment here. So, I mean, the market is very nervous, and do not think this is an occasion to buy, like I've been asked so many times last week, and even before in the French show, like about the mining sector, saying, is Teck Resources and First Quantum a good buy because it's a very low, so it has very good chance to come back higher than that. Yes, but but remember that in 2008, Teck Resources went to $3, and it's actually $6. So, and before it came back to 60. I know there will be a lot of money to make with it, but you're going to make the biggest money if you start from the real bottom, and we cannot see where the real bottom is, as today it begins a new bearish cycle. So let it go, and I'll be there. I'll tell you whenever the best time comes, and if you stay tuned, well, you'll be among the first to know. And we're following those things every day and all year long. At the moment, I don't think it's a good move to buy anything long. That means on the upside, except bearish ETFs, which goes up when the market goes down. So it's now 1.6 down and 2.4 down on the 1.6 on the Dow Jones and 2.4 on the Nasdaq. So it may not be over this market bearish cycle yet. So is the show over now? Thank you. We'll see you later.